I walked a road of shattered dreams, stumbled where the strong have fallen. Thought my past had sealed my fate, but mercy called me from the silence. Though I fought against the light, grace still met me in the night. I was blind, but now I see. Love was always chasing me. Oh, the grace beyond the fall, a love that covers all. Even when I turned away, His mercy called my name. My son, my prayer, my silent hope. Though the waves have pulled us far, like the prophet who ran